First navigate to the file and select open. Select this white pillow image, click open. Now take the quick selection tool and select the pillow like this. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, then take the rectangle tool, set the shape option, select a fill color. Now draw such a shape like this. Then go to blend modes and select multiply. Right click on this layer and choose convert to smart object. Right click on this layer, this time choose create clipping mask. Now double click on this layer's thumbnail. Go to the file and choose place. Select texture image, click place. Hold the alt button and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Then open file and choose save. Now go to the main window and see the result. Right click on this layer and choose blending options. Go to the underlying layer option, hold the alt key and break this point, adjust this point like this. Click OK. Let's see the final result.